All right, it's Monday, June 1st. Time to kick off a new month. So it was a rather rough night here in Chicago. I know in some of the other major metros across the U.S. it was rough as well with the protests going on. So first and foremost, hope everybody's safe out there and doing okay. Markets right now are flat heading into the open. Had a strong session in Asia overnight. It's jobs week here, so we got a big week on tap on the economic front. So for those of you folks looking to go in and make your predictions on the unemployment rate, again, we've got that number coming out on Friday. You can get in on Nadex today and start making those predictions. Look at some of the other markets, seeing some strength in the currencies, in particular the euro and the Aussie dollar. Euro now up above 1.11, so a strong move there. Oil, strong move on Friday. Again, news coming out of further OPEC cuts, and that's driving the price of oil higher. Right now, heading into the open, flat, but again, we'll see if we get some further news out on that front. So it's going to be another interesting week. Again, not much shaking right now on the market front. Relatively quiet heading into the open, but there's a lot of headline risk out there, particularly with the protest and some of the other events that are taking place right now. So again, hope everybody's staying safe. Hope you had a great weekend, staying healthy out there. I'll check in with you guys again tomorrow. Check in with us on Twitter and Facebook today. We'll keep you updated as stuff comes out. And more importantly, just have a great day. All right, folks, take care.